The Rubicon DX01 Electric Wheelchair offers impressive versatility with its all-terrain capability, making it suitable for various environments such as grass, ramps, and snow. This wheelchair is designed for convenience with a quick 3-second folding mechanism, allowing for easy transport and storage, and is approved for airline travel. Equipped with dual 250-watt motors, the Rubicon DX01 delivers a strong performance, reaching speeds of up to 4 miles per hour and operating for up to 12 miles on a single charge. The intelligent electromagnetic braking system ensures safe and smooth stops across different terrains, providing users with confidence in their mobility. For enhanced comfort, the Rubicon DX01 features collapsible footrests and double-joint armrests, ensuring a comfortable experience for both indoor and outdoor use. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy frame and polyurethane wheels, this wheelchair is built to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining user comfort.